Have you ever wondered how the simple act of buying a cup of coffee contributes to the economy? Or how the raw materials that make up your favorite electronic device are part of a complex economic web? Today, we'll explore the three sectors of economic activities and their interconnected roles in the grand scheme of things. Imagine the economy as a giant, intricate machine. It's divided into three main sectors: the primary, secondary, and tertiary. Each sector is unique, yet they all interrelate to create the overall economic landscape. The primary sector is the foundation. It's where everything begins. This sector focuses on the extraction and collection of natural resources like farming, forestry, hunting, fishing, and mining. It's the first step in the production process, providing raw materials that the other sectors will utilize. Next comes the secondary sector. Here, the raw materials from the primary sector undergo various manufacturing processes to transform into something new. It's in this sector that the cotton from a farm becomes the fabric for your clothes, or the sugarcane becomes the sugar in your coffee. Finally, we have the tertiary sector. This sector doesn't produce goods, but instead offers services that aid and support the primary and secondary sectors. From teaching and medical services to legal advice and IT, the tertiary sector provides the necessary services that keep the wheels of the economy turning smoothly. Now, you might wonder which sector contributes the most to a country's gross domestic product, or GDP. Interestingly, it's the tertiary sector that has emerged as the largest producing sector in many countries, including India. This is due to the increasing demand for services such as education, healthcare, and information technology. However, it's important to note that more than half of the workforce in India is still employed in the primary sector, particularly in agriculture. This means that despite the tertiary sector's larger contribution to the GDP, the primary sector remains a crucial part of the economy, employing a significant portion of the population. Now, to create more employment opportunities, it's crucial to identify, promote, and locate industries and services in semi-rural areas. Every region has the potential to increase income and employment. This could be through promoting tourism, regional craft industries, or new services like information technology. To summarize, the primary, secondary, and tertiary sectors all play vital roles in the economy. The primary sector provides the raw materials, the secondary sector transforms these into goods, and the tertiary sector offers services that support the other two. While the tertiary sector contributes the most to the GDP, the primary sector employs the most people. Understanding these sectors and their roles is key to recognizing the complex web of economic activities that drive our lives. From the coffee you buy to the electronic device you use, every purchase is a part of this grand economic machine.